Uh, good day, dear students. Today we devoted our lecture category of dialectics. The first category, necessity and chance. Philosophical category expressing a certain dependence, communication and degree of determinism of phenomena. The necessity is characterized mainly by internal, stable, repetitive, regular connection. Synonym need physical, chemical, biological, and social laws. The need, this what inevitably happens, is called the root cause. It follows from the nature of the phenomena. Randomness, manifestation largely inconsequential, fragile, single bond reality. Randomness, the result of adverse external factors, coincidence, crossroads, series of events required. For example, a tragic accident on the street or the death of climbers in the mountains of contingency. The problem of necessity and chance was developed in philosophy since antiquity. Some materialist Democrats, Spinoza, Holbas, and others, didn't see the connection between necessity and contingency, adjusted the relative difference to the absolute extreme. It seemed that all predominate by the world triumphs only of a necessity, but an accident is the fruit of ignorance. Id terminus, Hume ad voluntarist, Augustine, Schopenhauer in contents argued that the world is ruled by his majesty the case. In fact, in the world there is no pool necessary and frequent accidents, and there are the relationship. Accident, it is one pole of the relationship, the other pole the need. Randoms, expression, and the need to the supplement. The Chernobyl accident, as it turned out, not only the natural result of technological breakdowns, but the product of chance seismic earthquake in the area. A mutation in biology, it is a necessary result of certain physical, chemical, and biological process. At the same time, with respect to all cell population of the organism, and it acts as a random occurrence. Any need for making its way through a lot of accidents, planets moving on stationary orbits, expressing fluctuations. The law of value is generated through price fluctuation with a random. In society, a chance encounter people with their wills and passions creates a social pattern. In the social world, randomness is realized through human choice, freedom of action. In the world we are all predetermined by the would be no chance, then there would be no art, nothing new. In the modern worldview, complementary deterministic picture of the world gives way to a picture of stochastic, probabilistic universe in which the laws are interpreted as certain traits. The content and form, related philosophical categories that represent the unity of the three aspects of events, things, or the system. The content, things, or system, the totality of all the consistent elements of properties, internal process, connections, contradictions, and trends. Form, a way of organize the content, structural coupling of its components, process of and parts. The term form is used to refer the internal organization of the content. It is often replaced by structure concept. Also talk about the external and internal form. For example, the external shape of the book is related to its polygraphic date, size, binding, and others, and the interior form, the organization of ideological or religious content. The ratio of the content and form is characterized by the unity of the content or formalized and form meaningful. However, this unity is relatively unstable. The content is a moving dynamic form of elements appear or disappear, nutrients, and so on. And the form includes a system of the stable relationships or system, reality and possibility. Correlative categories which characterize the two main stages of formation and development of the subject, phenomenon or system. Opportunity is the strength of development, the potential state of reality. Reality and objective reality as the actual present being. The actual reality as a result of certain features or sets of features. The concept of reality is often used for the system view of the world as a system of systems, as well as in sense of being real, as opposed to appearance, seemingness. The emerging reality is in a sea of possibilities, some of which are unsolved. There are abstract, formal, and the actual specific capabilities. The abstract describes the possibility of the absence of the principal obstacles to the formation of an object or system. All things are possible, which doesn't contradict itself. All things are possible, conceivable, that permitted. As such, a possibility can take the similarity of the Earth from its orbit. As a rule, for the development, implementation of the abstract is not possible the necessary conditions. The real opportunity, on the other hand, has all the necessary conditions for its implementation. For example, the launch of a man into space in the USA in the 60s of 20th century. Go possible in reality, it carried out according to the laws of this reality, physical, social, biological, and others. The essence of the phenomena, the philosophical categories reflecting the universal form of the objective form and condition. The essence, the basis of the law or being an object or phenomena, the unity of all the diverse and contradictory forms of its existence. The phenomena or the detection, expression, object, the internal form is existence. The phenomena, the essence of external detection, is that on the surface of reality. Thunderstorm, atmospheric phenomena, but its essence, the laws of electricity. The essence and phenomena are in unity. Essence is a phenomenon significantly. However, the essence of the phenomena are generally not identical. It seems to us that the broken spoon in a glass of water. The A pattern rotation of the sun around our Earth doesn't coincide with the actual position. The dialectic of essence and phenomena express the knowledge of the certain laws. Human thought, human knowledge comes from the phenomena, from the precipitation of certain things. To an entity, the law, these things are phenomena, and then from the spirit of the first order to essence. The second, third, and further order. But there is a reverse moment of human knowledge. To see, to know the law, to a particular entity. Sensual things are manifold. The known laws of physics and chemistry of people are making to the world of physical and chemical phenomena, guys. But I don't tell about others categories philosophy, but I hope we this category uh, to see on the practical class. Now our lecture is over.